Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel AutoTech. Are you looking for the top 5 best 360-degree dash cams in 2024? Here are my full reviews of the top 5 best 360-degree dash cams in 2024. So before starting this video, please like this video and subscribe to this channel for our future updates. Thank you. Number 1. Akeeyo Nevada 36011 FHD Mirror Dash Cam Backup Camera, 3-channel Rear View Mirror Camera, 360-degree camera, Super Night Vision, f1.0. The Akeeyo Nevada 36011 FHD Mirror Dash Cam Backup Camera is a versatile and advanced addition to your vehicle's safety and recording system. This innovative device features a 3-channel rear-view mirror camera setup, ensuring comprehensive coverage with its 360-degree field of view. Equipped with full HD resolution, it captures crisp and clear footage, making it easier to review incidents and scenery. One of the standout features of the Akeeyo Nevada 360 is its Super Night Vision capability. Utilizing an f1.0 aperture, this dash cam excels in low light conditions, providing superior video quality even in the darkest environments. Whether you're driving at night or in poorly lit areas, you can trust this camera to deliver detailed and high-quality recordings. The 11-inch mirror display seamlessly integrates into your vehicle, offering a sleek and modern look. It not only functions as a high-definition rear-view mirror, but also provides real-time video playback from all 3 camera channels. The touchscreen interface makes it user-friendly, allowing you to easily navigate through settings and recorded footage. Enhance your driving experience and ensure greater safety on the road with the Akeeyo Nevada 360. Its advanced features, combined with reliable performance, make it an essential accessory for any vehicle owner. Number 2. RAZO Dashcam DC4000 RAW, simultaneous 3-channel 360-degree recording, records all surroundings at once, covering all blind spots, built-in GPS, G-sensor. The RAZO Dashcam DC4000 RAW is a cutting-edge solution for comprehensive driving surveillance, offering simultaneous 3-channel 360-degree recording. This advanced technology captures all surroundings at once, effectively eliminating blind spots and ensuring nothing goes unnoticed. The DC4000 RAW is equipped with a built-in GPS, providing precise location data for every recording, and a G-sensor, which detects sudden movements or impacts, automatically triggering recording to capture critical moments in the event of an accident. The dashcam's 360-degree recording capability means it can record front, rear, and side views simultaneously. This comprehensive coverage is crucial for documenting incidents and provides invaluable evidence for insurance claims or legal disputes. The footage is clear and detailed, thanks to high-definition recording, ensuring every detail is captured accurately. Installation of the RAZO Dashcam DC4000 RAW is straightforward, and its user-friendly interface makes it easy to navigate settings and playback recordings. The built-in GPS not only logs your vehicle's location but also its speed, providing additional context to your recordings. The G-sensor is particularly useful for incident detection, as it ensures that all critical moments are automatically saved and protected from being overwritten. The DC4000 RAW is designed with durability in mind, capable of withstanding various driving conditions. Its sleek and compact design allows for discreet installation, ensuring it doesn't obstruct the driver's view. Whether you're a daily commuter or a long-haul driver, the RAZO Dashcam DC4000 RAW offers peace of mind with its comprehensive recording capabilities and reliable performance. Number 3. XRC Tech 4-channels Dashcam for Cars, Wi-Fi app video recorder 1080p 360-degree panoramic car DVR rear view camera, parking monitor black box car Assecories. The XRC Tech 4-channels Dashcam for Cars offers comprehensive coverage and advanced features to ensure your driving safety and convenience. Equipped with 1080p resolution, this Dashcam provides crystal clear video recording from 4 different channels, capturing a full 360-degree panoramic view. Its built-in Wi-Fi capability allows you to easily connect to the accompanying app, making it simple to view, download, and share footage directly from your smartphone. The rear-view camera enhances your parking experience with its clear and wide-angle view, ensuring you can park with confidence. The Dashcam also features a parking monitor, providing continuous surveillance and recording any incidents while your vehicle is parked. This black box car accessory is essential for modern drivers, offering reliable performance and peace of mind on the road. Durable and user-friendly, the XRC Tech Dashcam is a valuable addition to any vehicle. Number 4. RAZO DC3000AD Action 360-degree Dashcam 4K dash camera for car with built-in Wi-Fi and GPS, Sony video sensor, WDR 3-axis G sensor, stereo. The RAZO DC3000AD Action 360 is a cutting-edge 360-degree dash cam designed to capture every angle of your drive in stunning 4K resolution. Equipped with a high-quality Sony video sensor, this dash cam ensures crystal-clear footage even in challenging lighting conditions, thanks to its wide dynamic range WDR feature. Built-in Wi-Fi and GPS offers seamless connectivity and precise location tracking, making it easy to review and share your videos. The 3-axis G sensor detects sudden impacts, automatically saving crucial moments to prevent data loss. With stereo audio recording, your driving experiences are captured in rich detail, both visually and audibly. Whether you're looking to enhance your vehicle's security or simply capture scenic drives, the RAZO DC3000AD Action 360 dash cam is an excellent choice for comprehensive and reliable video recording on the road. Number 5. Nextbase 322GW dash cam front and rear camera small with app full 1080p 60fps HD in-car camera Wi-Fi Bluetooth GPS SOS emergency response, parking mode. The Nextbase 322GW dash cam is a compact yet powerful in-car camera designed to enhance your driving experience and safety. With its front and rear cameras, it captures crystal-clear 1080p 60fps HD footage, ensuring that every detail is recorded, whether you're on the move or parked. The integrated Wi-Fi and Bluetooth features allow for easy connectivity with your smartphone via the Nextbase app, enabling quick video downloads and sharing. One of the standout features of the 322GW is its GPS capability, which logs your driving location and speed, providing crucial data in case of an accident. The SOS emergency response feature adds an extra layer of security by alerting emergency services to your location in the event of a severe collision, potentially saving lives. Parking mode is another valuable addition, as it records any incidents while your car is parked, offering peace of mind against theft or damage. The sleek and small design of the Nextbase 322GW ensures it doesn't obstruct your view while driving, making it a practical choice for everyday use. Overall, the Nextbase 322GW dashcam is a reliable and feature-rich device that offers comprehensive protection and convenience for drivers, making it an excellent investment for anyone looking to enhance their vehicle's security.